Indian Coin View presents Coins from Indian Princely States. Part 3, 1 Anna, Jaipur, 1944. Jaipur State, historically known as the Kingdom of Amba, was a kingdom of India, centered on Jaipur town, and later a princely state during the British period. It existed from the 12th century and was in a subsidiary alliance with the British from 1818 until their withdrawal from India in August 1947. It was then fully independent until its ruler acceded to India in April 1949, and retained some internal self-government for a period after that. Jaipur's predecessor state was the Kingdom of Dandhar or Dausa, founded in 1093 by Dulerai, also known as Dulerao. The state was known as Amba between the 14th century and 1727. In that year, a new capital was built and named Jaipura, when the kingdom was renamed as Jaipur. Jai Singh II, also known as Sawai Jai Singh, ruled the state from 1699 to 1743 and was a famous mathematician and astronomer. During his rule, the new capital city of Jaipur was founded. This 1 Anna was a standard circulation coin issued by Sawai Man Singh II, the last ruler of Jaipur princely state. This type was issued in 1944 and another type was issued by him in 1933. 1 Anna was 1 by 16th part of a rupee. Rupee was the official currency of Jaipur between 1621 and 1949. The coin is made of brass and weighs around 3.7 grams. The coin is in round shape with a diameter of 21.2 mm and thickness around 1.6 mm. In obverse of the coin, there is a half-face bust of Sawai Man Singh II facing right side. Around the bust it is written Maharaja Dhiraj Sawai Man Singh II in Devanagari legend. A small image of Jha, the symbol of Jaipur, is given below the image of Sawai Man Singh II. In reverse of the coin, the Jha symbol is given in circle with date of issue split to both of its sides. Ekana, which means 1 Anna, is written below the circle in both Devanagari and Persian legend. Thank you for watching. Like, share and let me know your thoughts through comments. Subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos on coins and currencies. Follow in Instagram, Indian Coin View and Banknotes Book India. Link given below.